Guy, just look at this. I just installed this solar system here, okay? And nature now provided, or nature installed the security system for me. I did not install any, okay, I installed those cameras over there, over that bow, that pillar there. That's where the cameras are. But here, I just realized that nature favored me. Nature installed its security system just today, just now. So I'm going to show you what nature did for me, okay? Right, so we are here. So this is the controller system, and then now we are here at the borehole, okay, where the pump is installed. Right, we are going to wait for about 5 seconds so that we can see if the guards let me know. Oh, they can bite even me, but you need to see them. Just look at them. Yeah, boy, those ones. So even if a thief or a vandalizer tries to break into this and steal my pump inside this one, no, they can't, because before they go any further, they will be, running away from this security guards here. This is the nature security system provided for me. Oh, my ancestors! Wow.